Mini drones have been on the gift list of many kids and their dads, and it's easy to see why they're small in size, with heaps of fun to fly and can pretty much go anywhere. But with so many choices out there, it is not always easy to figure out which one is the best for you. In this video, we're breaking down the best 3 mini drones on the market this year based on price, durability, battery life, and situations they'll be used in. So whether you're looking for an easy to use mini drone for kids or one loaded with features, we'll have an option for you. So if you're interested in finding out which mini drone will be the best for you, stay tuned. As always, all the links to find the best prices on all products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. So for the most up-to-date information on with updated prices, be sure to check out the description. The products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end so you don't miss anything. First up is the DJI Mavic Mini, our pick for the best overall mini drone. If you've been waiting for the top of the line mini drone that still strikes an ideal balance between price, performance, and ease of use, then at under $400, the DJI Mavic Mini is a top contender and really opens up the world of aerial photography without the heavy price of its larger DJI cousins. Size is definitely one of DJI Mavic Mini's advantages at just 249 grams. It comes under 250 gram threshold requiring drones to be registered with the FAA. It may be small, but it's jam-packed with great core features like a 30-minute flight time, 2.5-mile HD video transmission, 3-axis gimbal holding, a 2.7K camera, and a physical controller that works with both Android and iOS devices, and comes with safety features to stabilize, outdoor flight, and an automated return to home function. Once folded, the lightweight Mavic Mini is instantly portable and fits in the palm of your hand. The images above are captured 12 megapixel stills or spectacular 2.7K video. Despite its small size and lightweight, the Mavic Mini flies every bit as well as its bigger and heavier Mavic cousins, and can fly into smaller spaces easily and safely with its GPS and downward vision sensors. The Mavic Mini can hover precisely both indoors and outdoors. There's also a Find My Drone option in the app should you need to retrieve the Mavic Mini after an unplanned landing, which of course happens to the best of us. The biggest caveat for Mavic Mini is the lack of obstacle avoidance sensors, which would have been useful for novice flyers. The DJI Mavic Mini combines plenty of powerful features with streamlined flight experience, and its tiny form factor makes it incredibly easy to use. Throw it in the bag for your next adventure. The Mavic Mini is clearly one of the best mini drones on the market and is perfect for content creator enthusiasts and novice flyers alike. Next up is the Eachine 52 Max, our pick for the best value for the dollar mini drone. If you're not ready to spend $400 on a mini drone and you're looking for a wallet-friendly option of under $150, the Eachine 52 Max is worth considering. Eachine focuses mostly on making solid entry-level budget-friendly drones. The Eachine E52 Max offers 4K recording and is an incredibly affordable entry-level drone for hobbyists. And you'll find a 52 bears a striking resemblance to the DJI Mavic Air, and although it's not quite on par with the Mavic Air considering it's only a quarter of the price, the 52 performs admirably and gives you a 4K aerial video footage with a 120-degree field of view at a fraction of the price. The flight performance is solid and relatively stable even in windy conditions. There are several preset flight modes on the free Eachine Android or iOS app, including a follow me mode that lets the drone follow you around giving you aerial selfies. Another nifty feature is the first person view feature, which can stream live video up to 270 yards. The remote control is comfortable to hold, with a transmission range of around 330 yards. Unfortunately, the 52 doesn't come with a gimbal or software stabilization, but there is a 6-axis gyroscope within the drone that provides some stability during flight to minimize shakes. The 120 mAh battery gives you a respectable 15 minutes of flight time, which is longer than many other mini drones in its price range. On the downside, the Eachine 52 Max does feel like a cheaper drone with softer plastic feel versus some DJI options, but its quality during filming and actually flying more than makes up for it. If you're eager to jump into the world of drones but don't want to spend a lot of money, you'll be more than surprised by the overall performance and video quality of the Eachine 52 Max. It's a great entry-level drone that presents good value for the dollar. Lastly, we have the Potensic A20 mini drone, our pick for the best mini drone for beginners. With a price tag under $32, the Potensic A20 mini drone is perfect for anyone wanting to test out the world of drones, and is a great way to introduce beginners to a concept of drone flying without breaking the bank, or breaking a more expensive drone. The A20 has a rugged and durable outer layer to protect it against impact collisions, and helps it survive crash landings as a built-in propeller guards, which makes it a good choice for beginners to try their hand at flying. The A20 is small and lightweight, and is ideal for flying indoors with limited spaces, and even outdoors. There is one button takeoff and landing to keep things simple for new pilots, plus a handy altitude mode where the drone is locked at desired height, and then can be flown continuously at that level without further controls. This feature is also especially useful for beginners. However, due to its extremely lightweight body, when flying outdoors, the A20 can quite easily get blown away by the wind, or fly away too quickly upwards out of RC range, and if either happens, the drone may be lost. So for new pilots, it's better to practice indoors first before venturing outdoors, and to avoid windy days. The two rechargeable lithium batteries provide up to 12 minutes of flight time and fully recharges in about 40 minutes. With a short battery life, it may be worth buying a spare battery. On the downside, while the A20 it looks like it might have a built-in camera, it doesn't, so it's rather limited. But at this price range, you get a good little mini drone that is made for fun and simple flight training for those looking to hone their piloting skills. The Potensic A20 is perfect starter drone for beginners. It's very low price, so it won't make you cry if it gets lost or damaged during flight training. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. If you're new to the channel and you like the video, consider subscribing. We do our best to keep you up to date with best products on the market right now. So if you want to stay current regarding the best gear, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing on all products mentioned in this video. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon for the next video.